Hello friends, I have a lace from Spark by Derby Laces. This is the gold color, 60 inch, came with a sticker, and they also have social media links. Derby Laces. I bought this off of Amazon, and oh yeah, it's a 60 inch. I wasn't paying attention when I bought. I realized once I opened the package, I only bought one lace, but one lace on my shoe is damaged, so I will replace it. According to the review, another person who had a similar style skate purchased a 60 inch, so hopefully the 60 inch will work on this. This is how, oh, hey, perfect. There is two laces. Yes. Awesome. Perfect. There's two laces in here. Nice. Now I can put both my shoes on. Alright, so I got it because this one's all torn up. I have no clue what the length on this was. Maybe I should have measured it beforehand, but I didn't do that. So, first thing I'm going to do is delace. And then we'll install my new laces on both. I'm so happy that there's two laces in this kit. When I saw a package of one, I thought I made a silly mistake, and I'm glad I did not. Awesome. So great. I believe it was $7.99 on Amazon, and it had free shipping with Prime. Alright, let me do a side-by-side comparison. So my original one was round, this one's flat, and let's see if it's long enough compared to my original. Awesome. Half-inch longer, that's perfect. Sweet, now I can lace up. And it does even say a Spark on the ends of the lace. If you've never laced before, I mean, it's the same thing as a shoe, but the beginning is the most important part. Make sure it's even. Awesome. And then from there, just go side to side. There is different patterns you can do. I'm going to keep it simple today. Alright. Looks nice to me. What do you think? Let me see if I can get that little light in there so you can see better. Nice. Awesome. And you just repeat one more time. All right, now let's see what it looks like with the other shoe on. Just repeat the same process. Delace. Awesome. Alright, so just in case you want more detail, so what I do is I get the two tips, make it even, pull it all the way out to the other side. See how it's twisted? You want to make sure it's untwisted. Alright, now that it's even, just slide both sides in. And I'll pull. Alright, came out even. Awesome. Then just repeat previous process. I don't know how if you can see it through the camera, but it's has a lot of shine to it. I'm trying to repeat the same pattern that I did on the other shoe. I don't know if anyone ever noticed it, but I would. And there we go. What do you guys think? Little promo. Looks nice to me. Alright, well thanks for checking it out. I'm Awesome Joe. Like, subscribe, leave a comment.
Hey, look, a new subscriber.